This is very likely the most powerful trading system in the entire world right now, and I am not going to sell you on it. I'm going to show it to you on the charts, and you can make your own decision from there. The one thing I will say, if you are not utilizing this system that gives you clear entry and exit criteria, clear places where you are going to see reactions from an institutional level, not AI fantasies, not all this mumbo jumbo that people are speaking about, real, live, institutional levels. If you don't have these on your chart, you are going to be at a serious disadvantage to every single person that does. Now, as you can see, this is one chart, one click. All I did was click Order Blocks Suite by Alpha Intelligence on my chart, and it automatically populated 8 different time frames worth of order blocks on my chart. Absolutely insane. These are institutional levels where institutions have made it clear that they are willing to buy or sell at these levels. I don't even have to do anything to show you what makes these matter so much. All you have to do is look at what happens when these order blocks pop up. We had one pop up here. Look what happened. We revisited it. Boom. Another one popped up right here. Guess what happened? We revisited it. Boom. We had one pop up right here. Look at this big, massive set of order blocks. Guess what we did? We revisited it. Boom. We revisited it. Boom. This is one of the easiest and most lucrative systems that you can have inside of the markets right now. It gives you clear entry and exit criteria. You enter here, your stop loss is here, you target the liquidity below. Most likely, there will be an order block set somewhere around here that you are targeting before you get this bounce. Bang, perfect and full take profit. It is literally going to automatically plot order blocks across 8 different time frames on your chart for you. You can choose the time frames, pick any time frames that you want, and it does this in seconds. When these levels stack on top of each other on different time frames, you are going to be able to see that inside of a Confluence bubble. And the craziest and most lucrative part about this is it includes all of the data that no one else includes, which is the most important data to include. The price range of the order blocks, how many order blocks are inside of that Confluence bubble, which is giving you an understanding on how well is this order block going to serve as support or resistance. And we're also showing you the volume of contracts or shares that traded at that exact price. This is going to give you the most high-level information available in the market on whether or not something is going to, 1, hold up, or 2, get broken through. We even have an alpha scoring system inside of here that ranks it on a scale of 1 to 10 and tells you the probability that that order block set is going to hold up. Not only does this plot order blocks, but this also plots and tells you where there are fair value gaps and breaker blocks. As you can see right here, 4-hour order block fair value gap and a 2-hour breaker block on this chart. And it even tells you exactly where all of that is inside of the label and the Confluence bubble. Now, this is probably the most insane part of all of this. You can go down to the historical and mitigated order blocks section and click show historical order blocks, and within a couple of seconds it will populate and show you every time you hit one of your order blocks. Right here, boom, you hit an order block. Look what happened. Massive pump up. You came up and rejected from the next order block, and then look what happened. Boom, you came right down into another order block, had a nice little pump before you moved down again. This is the most insane ability to actually predict what the entire market is going to do, and you can also go back in time and back test this, and we want you to do that. We don't hide anything. We want you to have this data so that you can actually go back and understand what order blocks actually held up and which ones got broken. And all you have to do is zoom out and you can already see exactly what happens whenever we come up into these order blocks or down into the order blocks and the reactions that come soon after. This is an entire trading system by itself. And if you don't understand what an order block is, it is an institutional footprint where a block of institutional orders were placed and then left during what we call a displacement candle. And I will show you what that looks like on the chart. This is your order block. This is your displacement candle that moved massively far away from that block of orders. And guess what happens when that happens? You actually leave an institutional footprint of orders behind, which is why it is termed an order block. Now, I don't think I need to show you much more than that for you to understand how absolutely powerful this system is and how you can utilize it to absolutely crush it in your trading. And I think it's pretty easy to see that the people that have this have a massive leg up on you if you do not. Now, you can try these and every Alpha Intelligence indicator for $7. Just click the link in the description, get them on your charts, try them out, and tell me it doesn't change the way that you trade and look at charts forever.